This is Mr. Nichols at Lafayette Upper Elementary, and today we're going to learn about probability. Probability is the likelihood that an event will happen. So it's the chance of an event happening. And there are 5 words that we're really going to focus in when we talk about probability in 3rd grade. Certain, likely, equally likely, unlikely, and impossible. Let's look at those possible outcomes a little bit closer. If an event is certain to happen, that means that it will definitely happen. It has a 100% chance of happening. If Felicity bought a box of donuts, here's the box that she bought, and you reach in and select a donut without looking, it's certain that the donut you'll pick has pink icing because all of these donuts have pink icing. It's the only chance that you have to pick. It's the only outcome. You have a 4 out of 4 chance that you are going to pick pink. Likely. If an event is likely to happen, it means it is probably going to happen. There is a good chance. So if Oliver here bought a box of donuts, and the 4 donuts in his box looked like these ones, it's likely that the donut you'll pick out of that box will have pink icing because most of the donuts in the box have pink icing. I could pick pink or yellow, and since there's 3 out of the 4 that are pink, it's more likely that I'll pick pink. If an event is equally likely, it has just as much chance of happening as another outcome. And an outcome means I could pick a pink, a green, or an orange because those are the only ones that are going to be in Thea's box right here. So if you reach in that box and you select one donut, it's equally likely that the donut will have pink icing. There's 1, 2 of them, because there are 2 that don't have pink icing. It's an equally likely chance that you pick. There's a 2 out of 4 chance. If an event is unlikely, it means it will probably not happen. There's not a good chance. So John brings a box of donuts, and his 4 donuts look like this. If you reach in to pick one, it's unlikely that the donut you pick will have pink icing. Now I could grab the pink one. That is one of my outcomes, but I also have 3 other donuts that don't have icing. So because of that, it's unlikely I will pick the pink one. Only 1 out of the 4 is pink. And if an event is impossible, it means it definitely will not happen. There's no chance. It's the opposite of certain. So if Laurel here brings a box of donuts, and the 4 donuts look like this, if they are all green, and you go to grab one, it is impossible that you will grab a donut with pink icing because none of the donuts have pink icing. There are 0 chances out of the 4 that you will pick a pink donut. Let's practice with that just a little bit. If I have a bag of marbles like this one, and there are 6 marbles into that bag, I reach in without looking, and I'm looking to see the probability that I grab a yellow marble. There's a 3 in 6 chance. 3 or half of the marbles in the bag are yellow, and half of them are red. I have the same chance of pulling a red one as pulling a yellow. So my chances of pulling a yellow are equally likely. If the marbles looked like this picture, and I went to grab a red marble, the probability of grabbing a red marble would have a 4 in 6 chance. So I could grab red, yellow, or blue. Those are my outcomes. Since I have more of the red, it's likely that I grab a red marble. Now the marble bag only has yellow marbles. So if I reach into that bag and grab a marble without looking, there's a 6 out of 6 chance that I pull the yellow marble because it is the only marble in the bag. So it's certain that I will grab the yellow marble. In the last example here, if we look at this marble bag, I see I could have red as an outcome, yellow, or blue. If I grab into that bag to grab a green marble, I have 0 chances because it is not one of my outcomes. So it is impossible to grab a green marble. I want you to take what you learned in this lesson, and I want you to try the 5 questions on the next page. Good luck.